सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ध्येय आईएएस चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Recently, the Square Kilometre Array Observatory Council held its first meeting. In this meeting, approval for the establishment of the world's largest radio telescope was given. Square Kilometre Array Observatory is a new intergovernmental organization which is dedicated to radio astronomy. This organization's headquarters is situated in the UK, and at present, organizations from 10 countries are a part of the SKAO. These countries include Australia, Canada, China, India, Italy, New Zealand, South Africa, Sweden, the Netherlands, and the UK. In today's edition of our DNS, we will be talking about the Radio Telescope Observatory, significance of Square Kilometre Array Telescope Observatory, and also know about India's role in the establishment of the world's largest radio telescope. For many years, the Square Kilometre Array has been a dream for the radio astronomers, but now it is going to become a reality with the aim to build the world's largest radio observatory. It is truly a mega science project of the 21st century, and its creation follows a decade of detailed engineering design which is supported by more than 500 engineers, over 1,000 scientists, and dozens of policymakers in more than 20 countries. The completion of this project is expected to take nearly 10 years at a cost of 1.8 billion euros. Now let us know a few points about the radio telescope. Radio telescopes are capable of detecting invisible gas, hence they can reveal areas of space that may be hidden by cosmic dust. Significantly, since the first radio signals were detected by the physicist Carl Jansky in the year 1930s, astronomers have used radio telescopes to detect radio waves that are emitted by different objects in the universe and explore it. According to NASA, the field of radio astronomy evolved after World War II and became one of the most important tools for making astronomical observations. Back in the year 2020, the Arecibo telescope in Puerto Rico collapsed, which was the world's second largest single-dish radio telescope, and it was built in the year 1963. Now further, let us know about the significance of Square Kilometre Array Telescope and the observatory. The Square Kilometre Array Observatory will be arrays of antennas that are situated in 2 continents, Africa and Australia. Once built, it will be of great help to the scientific community, as they will be able to use the Square Kilometre Array Observatory to look into some of the unexplored areas of the universe and also seek answers about its history and evolution, study fundamental physics in extreme environments, and also know about galaxies over cosmic time. The telescope will incorporate a mix of parabolic antennas or dishes as well as dipole antennas, which will look a little like traditional TV aerials. The aim is to construct an effective collecting area measuring hundreds of thousands of square meters. The system will operate across a frequency range from roughly 50 MHz to ultimately 25 GHz. In wavelength terms, this is in the centimeters to meters range. The SKA, or the Square Kilometre Array, will be so powerful that it will be able to detect airport radar on planets tens of light years away. According to NASA, the telescope will accomplish its scientific goal by measuring neutral hydrogen over cosmic time, accurately timing the signals from pulsars in the Milky Way, and also detecting millions of galaxies out of high redshifts. Now lastly, let us know about India's role in the establishment of the world's largest radio telescope. India has made significant contributions in the design phase and is also looking forward to be an active member of the construction phase as well, with involvement in 4 work packages covering different aspects of telescope hardware and software elements. India will also be leading and delivering the telescope's manager system, which is nicknamed the nervous system of the Square Kilometre Array Observatory.